Happy Tuesday from Imaging USA in the string distribution booth. We are demonstrating SMDV softboxes along with NANLITE FS series of continuous light. We have my Sony A7RIV. We have Tennessee Rick, which spends the winters in Tennessee and the summers in Florida. That's okay. Can you bring it up a little higher for the gray card? Give me 1 second. Thank you. So I photographed Rick how many times? You can lose your mask now. Yes. So you want something a little different today, right?
Sinister. Sinister. Evil. The evil oppressors.
So we're going to ghoul light, going from the bottom, but I still want to see Rick's eyes because they're phenomenally blue. We're going to do, with the 62 megapixel camera, I have plenty of range. If I increase my shutter speed, I can get, with continuous light, I can get rid of the background. And then we add more light for the sinister look.
Sinister, that's right.
So
Let me add
so this is the Forza 150. Chin up a little bit.
Let me know when I get the sinister.
Oh, I won't take a photo, but we won't be doing any smiling. Hey, can you do me a favor? You put your mask on for a sec. He from the SMDV booth is going to help me out over here. If you sit down. So we're basically, please, we're going to move the light around a little bit just to keep the light in his face so we can see his blue eyes. Chin up a little bit. Chin down a little bit. Chin down. Oh, I will. Can you face this way a little bit? Yeah, watch my hand. Chin down. Chin down. With your left hand, use this to, just want to block a little light from his outfit. Using that as like a GoPro. Hat down a smidgen. Yep. Chin down. Ooh. Breathe your mouth a little bit. Don't move yet, please.
Sorry?
Don't move yet.
Okay.
Still want a little kick on the side. Sinister look a little bit if you want to. More sinister if you want.
Okay.
Pull your V-neck up a little higher. Chin down a little bit. Bring your right hand forward. Yeah, there you go. Elbow out a smidgen. Yep, that one. Out that way. Back a little bit.
Let me know when I look sensitive.
Yep,
My eyes are looking great.
yep. Add a little halo to the side. Ooh, that looks nice. Chin this way a little bit. Kelly, can you do me a favor? Just get a little bit of kick on his side of his face. Fixing his outfit, kind of OCD a little bit, a little hyper aware. Move your hat like this a little bit. Yep. Look right above my lens. Try to bring the light up a little higher. Chin this way a little bit. Chin down. Chin down. Right above my lens. Give me 1 second. Huh? Use 2 hands. We have Kelly and he from SMDV helping me with this amazing portrait of Tennessee Rick. He came in requesting, because he helped me bring my camera in, a sinister look. Come here,
Okay.
please.
That's sinister. That is sinister.
It's okay?
Absolutely. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Oh, that's great.
You like it?
I love that. Listen, I've never seen you take a bad picture, but I like that. Yes,